Hi friends, this is a Saturday session actually because today we have the budget, right, and it's end up losing, I would call it as, because so there was no proper announcements from the finance minister. And see, if you look at the means overall budget, right, so except the tax, right, to the individuals and to the startups, there is nothing else. And there was also, if you see, right, the overall picture, the tax reduction is also much less. And nowadays people, most of them are earning more than 10 lakhs 15 lakhs, right? So for them there is not much, okay, to rejoice actually, but there is some kind of rejoice, but overall not. And coming to the stock market, right, so if you see, I told you clearly in 2 days before, if you go through my last 2-3 videos on Nifty levels, I clearly told you, right? I clearly told you, and I made that definitely you gonna see some kind of 5%, okay, 5% to 15% I told, and see the move now. This is budget's candle. This is not because of actually the budget. Even the overall picture of the global economy is getting slowed down, and that was reflected in the Chinese market and US market. So it was reflected since last a week also on Dow Jones, and it is getting every time there it is bouncing to the newer levels to make sure that one fine day they will take off those levels. Then correction is always possible, right? Very much possible. So as of now, it has taken a lot of supports actually here. There was no respect at all, and 300 points. Could you believe that 300 points were down? See, okay. So even my whatever the thing, right, I was in short definitely, and but I was not trading the whole path. I was trading for 70-80 points and I was done, okay, because I know that the correction is definitely going through and it will happen, because FIs are keep on selling. They will sell, right? Definitely they will sell. That's what they do. So now what happened is all the key supports were taken, and we gonna see some kind of much more damaging levels. Means downside, it's clear all now, okay. If you go through my videos also, I told you, right, once the momentum starts downside, this will be the momentum. Yeah, definitely you gonna see some kind of a bounce back till some kind 40% or 30%, okay, from the total picture. Something like it might be some 11 7:30, or as of now 6:30, right? It might go down further actually. There is some more 10 minutes 11 minutes here. So we're gonna see some 11,500 also here, 550 570, because now there is much more panic in the market. So all the HDFCs, Bajaj Life, Finservs, all the LIC companies, means insurance companies, housing finances, all these companies are melted down actually. Means because of the new policies which are affecting the current business, okay. And there was no boost at all for the infrastructure. There was no boost at all for the automobiles, okay. There is no boost at all for the real estate companies. Nothing actually, nothing was there in this budget. And at the same point of time, even the global economy is also getting slowed down. So, and that impact also impacted on our market. And now what is the situation is that all the FIs are selling, and now the normal retail traders, retail investors are buying actually, because they think that the market gonna bounce back. Because if one guy is selling, someone will buy, right? Even the domestic investors, DIAs, to some extent only they'll buy, not more than that. So who are buying here? The normal common investors, they are buying, and FAs are selling. So let's see the overall picture till what point it might come down, okay. So for you guys, let me draw the Fibonacci levels. Okay, let me see that, take the lowest support and just see here. So now the 61% is gone actually here, if you see. Okay, so this one is gone. So now the next level is 11,530. I don't think so it will stretch till that point, but we're gonna see some more. We might see 11,590, something like that. We might see, okay, today, because there is some more time left. But this point I don't see, don't think so that it will be done today. So this, once this breaks also, right, that will kill all the confidence in the buyers actually, because everyone will check those levels till what point Nifty has fallen. Okay, so then the real momentum starts and it will drag it to 11,200. Okay, so these levels, 11,300 levels, till this point there is very much chance actually to fall Nifty. Okay, so just keep in mind that these are the levels. Okay, so there is no point that you should not go for longs on Nifty, remember that. Okay, so because the momentum is on downside, and even we have an elephant bar here. This is a very strong bar, big bar, red bar. Okay, so in the next 8 minutes we're gonna see some more downside only, not a small bounce also. Any bounce we might see tomorrow, I mean Monday. Okay, because all the positions will be closed, right? So by end of the day they will close the positions, and we might see if there is any news, good news, some kind of any other finance minister comes in and plays some kind of any other news, or any global global news, positive news comes in, then we might see a gap up also tomorrow, I mean Monday. Till that point, even then also go for shorts only. Okay, don't go for longs at this point of time. Yeah, and coming to the India Bull Housing Finance, see this stock actually, see, just for your reference I am telling you, see the fall. So this is 200-day moving average, and I just placed the pivot levels here. Okay, that's nothing new. Definitely I'll be coming up with the sessions, okay, to teach you what are those if you don't know. So see the reaction, means all these stocks are waiting for some kind of a good news from the budget. Okay, means FM, but totally bizarre news, and even the news is also against these companies, most of this. Okay, so there is no respect at all, everyone are selling the stock. Okay, so I'll be coming up with one more video by today evening on the total stocks picture, and how many stocks reacted and how many stocks overreacted, and which stocks actually had a positive side today, especially the IT companies. Okay, TCS, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, all these three companies performed very well. Okay, but even the if you check with these companies also, Arvindo also, they didn't perform good actually. Okay, right? So just make sure that you don't take any kind of entries actually on the long side. Thank you.